Wagwan.
Huh?
Medea.
Medea, wow.
Wagwan.
At the cinema, guys. Lots of people.
We're here to watch Young Man Babale.
Here it is, guys. Bob Marley movie.
Where you wanna go?
Not sure. You ever been to this side, babe?
Oh, we're doing the barbecue. That's so cool.
You ever been to this side, babe?
Nope.
It's pretty quiet. We're in Brunswick head again. Island already having fun. You gonna catch the bird?
No.
Hi guys.
Welcome back to the channel. Here we are again in a second, for the second time at Brunswick head. Oh shoot.
Yeah, no, it's a bit cold for me.
And we're here at the family beach. Yeah, it's more calm on a rainy day. Another weekend over here.
Bobo, it's a bit cold, eh? Hey?
Oh shit.
Oh guys, it's so cold today.
Yeah.
So welcome back to the Allen family.
Yeah. Babe, you can go in first.
So we want to say quickly, we do have a really big announcement and surprise coming shortly. So yeah, stay tuned for that.
Yeah. Alright.
We want to see this video get like 1,000 likes.
Hey everybody! You want to service us? Yes!
Oh god, it's cold. You boy. Ooh, that one hit far. That one hit hard, eh? See all these rocks, guys? It's pure ice dust, but all of them, unfortunately, have been open.
Probably birds too, maybe pick them. Humans.
Yeah, I would say mainly humans, because yeah, the Aussies, them love them ice stuff.
Island, stand up.
Yeah, it's all among these rocks. Very sharp too.
Show the people what you can do. Show your friends and your family what you can do. Yeah. See you guys? Yeah. Wagwan. Look at him, guys. He's just so adorable. Aren't you?
Wagwan.
Hmm?
Medea.
Medea, wow.
Wagwan.
Medea.
Medea.
Hey, be careful. Be careful.
Bobo Island.
Oh, careful, the water's coming back in. Go, Papa. Go, Daddy. Go, Daddy.
Keep your legs, keep your legs, keep your legs.
I bet you everyone's going to say, I wouldn't swim in that water. But trust me guys, when it's really sunny and beautiful, the water gets really crystal clear blue. It's only because the weather's been like a bit rainy and stuff. So that's why. I thought something was on my legs. Island, careful. Island. We've got a camera girl here now, taking all the wrong angles. Next weekend we're going to Brisbane. Hopefully, fingers crossed. If God allows it. We'll go to Brisbane. I want to go get some goat meat and some stuff to make goat curry. That'd be nice. Plus I want to go eat agusi. I want to go eat African Nigerian food. Good boy.
Yeah, so we're getting something to eat because after the swim, and yeah, Island is with somebody. Yeah, responsible. Yeah, you know what I mean. So yeah, grab some food and then head back and get him. And yeah, we're already dry, we're warm, but Island wants to swim more.
It's cold.
So, yeah,
it's still raining.
Terribly cold.
Yeah.
Brunswick head. Here we are.
Brunswick head.
Yeah, not many people out today because it's raining. Even at the beach, that spot is very popular, but today you don't see so many people out, you know. So yeah, it's different, but good vibe. So our food is ready. Yeah, man. How low the tide is, guys.
Relax. Usually this water here, usually it's like really crystal blue, and you can actually see the fish like when it's high tide.
Yeah. So
oh Jesus Christ! The car was turned over.
It's turned over?
Yeah, look at the front here of the truck. Look on your right hand side now of the truck.
Holy shoot! It's flipped all the way. Is that the person?
Awesome.
Oh shoot! Did it happen from up here? That car got it? Maybe.
I don't know.
Accident happened, guys, and it's raining too, so the road is wet, you know.
Slippery.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Wow. That's the first major accident I've seen since I've been in Australia.
That's a flip over for real. Flipper. Hi guys, welcome back to the Island family.
Wagwan.
It's your girl Maria.
The island boy there.
So guys, as you can see, Island's not here with us because today it's Valentine's Day.
Yes, man, and it's date night for us.
And
more like
yep,
movie night.
movie night.
Special movie.
We've just been eating, I don't know, they bought a chocolate, bounty chocolate.
Yeah.
So yeah, movie night, and we're going to watch the one and only
One Love Bob Marley.
One Love Bob Marley movie.
Yes, man.
And I was watching an interview that Ziggy Marley did recently, and it said that go and watch it with your loved one, someone you love, because it's a ride or die kind of movie. So if you all agree with me there, and if you've already watched it, let us know. So yeah, can't wait to see it.
Yes, man.
Really looking forward to it, eh, babe?
Yeah, and when we do watch it, we're also gonna give you guys our rating on the movie.
Yeah.
Like how much we rate it, and that will just be our opinion. You get me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So
our opinion, guys. So yeah. So looking forward to watching Bob Marley One Love.
And even tell them about how busy it is. Like some of the cinemas are full.
Yeah, that's
so we
another
have to
thing.
Go further away.
Yeah, definitely. That's another thing. We've had to go all the way to Tweed Heads to watch this movie, which is about a good hour and 40-something minutes drive for us. But because everywhere around here is fully booked out. Fully booked. Because of the floods in Lismore, we don't have a cinemas there anymore. Usually that would have probably ran there. They probably would have, you know, showed it there if it was open. So yeah, at this present moment, we're going all the way to Tweed Heads to watch Bob Marley, as you know, one of the legends of reggae. One of the one of the first reggae legends that made it international, worldwide. You know, everyone around the world knows him. So, you know, he's been a big inspiration. His music has been great ever since, and his music will never die. You know, as much as anybody, you know, and everybody wants to say, oh, he's this, he's that, and he's a womanizer and all that sort of stuff. You know, it doesn't fail when it comes to his music. His music was just great. So yeah, and that's why I always said to Babe, like, if it wasn't for Bob Marley, like in my younger days, I think I would never have gone to Jamaica. I wouldn't have even known anything about Jamaica, to be honest. I feel like Bob Marley actually sold the land, like, I mean, the tourism industry in Jamaica.
He definitely, I would say, he's the biggest promoter of Jamaica. I don't think there's any bigger promoter than Bob Marley. Yeah. You know what I mean? So,
100%. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Can't wait to tell you all about it after. Yeah. And yeah.
Touchdown, no, so get me. Another time, no, but nothing. Looking like a million pounds. Can't get enough, and you be depend on me. A hold on your values and morals, soulfully. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you. Get you in the captain, I need you pressing that you sailing like the captain on his yacht. I just wanna get on top. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you. Still paranoid. Them say who can't hear, gon' feel, but we can't take everybody advice. When things don't change, when I show you, catch up. How long say they kill our prophet? While we stand aside and look, only you help to sing these songs that we know.
Horn bar? What the hell is a horn bar? Yeah, look at that. Is there a parking down here? Coolie massage. Yeah, everything's coolie here. Oh, Coolangatta. Coolangatta, that's why. Coolie. Fast probably. Trying to look for don't run anyone over, that's for sure. Oh look, Mexican restaurant up there. Keep going straight, maybe you'll find another kebab store. So we're trying to get some easy quick dinner, guys, but we're just before the movie. We've got oh, vegetarian. Wow. Sombreros. Off your tree. Might have to do a U-turn. Oh my gosh, we're about to sneeze. Sushi. Here baby, there's a kebab store. Maybe in there, just slow down. Yeah. We could go there to a kebab store. Do you want a doner kebab?
Not sure.
Mixed kebab, chicken and meat.
Yeah, I'll try that. So we're here, guys, at a kebab shop. So grab something fast before we go watch the movie.
Can we get 2 doner kebabs?
Yep, lettuce, tomato, onion. Anything else, more cheese?
That's what they have, guys.
They're like native Indians.
This is tweeded at night.
Kulangata.
Oh, Kulangata. So that's different. It's not different. Okay.
Valentine's Day, people are out dining and things.
Yeah, man.
Couples.
Lots of couples out. This must be a hotel, I'm assuming.
Not sure. It's a big city.
Yeah, big, beautiful.
Skirt, skirt. That was alright.
Yeah. At the cinema, guys. Lots of people.
We're here to watch Yaman Babale.
Yeah, we're here. Here it is, guys. Bob Marley movie. We're ready, we're ready. We have a popcorn and everything.
Hey.
Cinema 3, Bob Marley. Yeah, we're forward. Excited, baby?
Excited, babes.
Yes, I am. Yeah, so should just a start now. Should be like advertisements, say. Yeah, so you guys know already. No cameras allowed, so little more.
Yeah, this man was a revolutionary.
Welcome back, Island family.
Yes, man. Welcome again.
It's your girl Maria.
And the island boy there.
Yeah. So Island Boy's here, Maria's here, and we're here to give you our honest review
Of the Bob Marley One Love movie.
Yeah.
Yes, man.
So you want to go first, seeing as you're the Jamaican?
It's like what now? 2 years later. Today's what?
2 years later.
No, may I say? Today is Friday. We watch it on Wednesday. Yeah, Wednesday night.
Valentine's night.
Yeah, Valentine's night. You see me? So, yeah, this is 2 days later, and the movie. I try to get everything back in my head. You see me? But the movie, my ratings, I give it after thinking about it and really, you know, going over what really happened in the movie. I give it about a 8, like a 7-8, because the movie in itself is great. You know, the story is great. The quality of the filming is great, but there were some parts that, you know, there was some takeaway that I didn't like. You know, like they only tell some parts of his story. I guess they didn't want to show everything, or everything couldn't be shown. But you know, from like the Peter Tosh and I think like the Bunny Wailer, you know, people that he he pretty much started out with as well during his career. You know, you don't see those people. The Cindy wasn't involved either. You know, so, and also some part of the accent, only a Jamaican would know that it doesn't sound as authentic as it, you know, we would like it to sound. And I've seen before that people complain about Jamaican actors in it, but I see quite a few familiar faces of Jamaicans. But you know, the main roles weren't played by Jamaicans. Definitely, they are British actors. You know, so, but overall, the movie was good. At the cinema, I was the only colored person there, you see me? So yeah, everybody else was just white people there. I was hoping to see some, you know, some Africans or some, you know, but yeah.
Which is pretty amazing you say that, because like it was in a city, it's Tweed head to the city, and there's a lot of mixed ethnicities there.
I think they would come out.
So different ethnicities, and we saw a lot more like Australian.
Yeah.
And we saw a lot of young people too.
Yeah, which I wasn't expecting. I thought more of the older generation.
There was a lot of old people, but there was a lot of young too as well, because the cinema was packed.
Yeah.
The only rows that were like available were like the real front rows that were in the screen.
True.
But overall, my rating for the movie, I'd give it between a 6 and a 7.
Yeah.
And the reason why, everything that Babe said.
Yeah.
But also how, like, they didn't really highlight, you know, okay, so Bob Marley was not a materialistic type of guy.
Yeah.
And I feel like the movie was trying to make him seem that way in a sense. Like if you've watched it and you kind of, like, you get what I'm saying, like he wasn't a very party type of guy. Like from what I've learnt going to Jamaica and visiting the museum, and the tour guide was telling us like how Bob lived his life and he loved his kids. There wasn't much of his kids in the movie besides the beginning of the movie and the end of the movie. Then I would have loved to have seen him more like interact with his kids. You know, if we're thinking about Bob in his life. And also I'd say like, yeah, like how he didn't really like, you know, the Cindy thing.
Yeah.
I think she played a big role in Bob's life, regardless of the situation between her and Rita. Yeah. And, you know, at the end of the day, we kind of figured that Rita was doing her thing as well, and so Bob Marley was doing his thing as well. So I kind of felt like it would have played out probably a little bit kind of better if Cindy had a part in it, even though they did show only like one part of her, and she didn't say anything. She just like knocked on the door and Rita left, and Bob Marley opened the door. Like that was like, you know, a bit cliche.
Like, I thought like, oh, they're gonna show more of her in the movie, you know. Just like what one Jamaican guy said that played the Peter Tosh role. He said the director loved his part. The director told him that he loved his part, and at the end of the movie, he didn't make the cut, you know. So they definitely take away some stuff that was supposed to be there. And
then also how they didn't use a lot of Jamaican actors. They used Jamaican people, like Jamaican people that have a background of Jamaican, but they grew up in England. They didn't really, like, they didn't really have Jamaican people. Yeah. And that might sound a bit bad coming from me, but you know what I mean. Yeah. You know what I mean. True. Yeah.
And what else was out? Also, I don't want to spoil it for everybody that haven't watched it yet, but I didn't like how it ended. You know, the way it ended, I was expecting more, and it felt like there was so much storyline that they were about to tell, and then they just cut it. Like, you know, it just felt like there was untold stories that they were trying to show us, but then it just cut to a different scene. Like,
yeah, like for example, Bob Marley's dad didn't want a bar of him, you know, which we already knew that when we went to the museum. Like, he wasn't a part of Bob Marley's life at all. And me being a Bob Marley fanatic fan, you know, I love his music. I, you know, always thought Rastas something else, even though back then Rastas were looked upon dirty and things like that.
This day and age,
you know, I'm sorry, but I love the way of a Rasta life. If I could live that life, I would. Like, I would live that clean, healthy eating. Maybe like when we move back to Jamaica, you know, I think that I really like that lifestyle, definitely. And you know, maybe hubby will get dreadlocks.
Yeah, most people here might not accept the reality, but you know, I'm more lean to the Rasta side than anything else. You know, I always loved that side of life. You know, from me young.
Definitely.
Just my type of lifestyle. I always, you know.
Yeah, I honestly could say that, you know, it's definitely a clean lifestyle from what I've watched, and I've spoken to some Rastas in Jamaica with Babe, like in your parish.
Yeah.
He's passed away now, that man, isn't he? Yeah, but you know, he was like 90 something when I met him. He was a very intelligent man, and they have a lot of wisdom. They do. They know a lot, and they read the Bible, and you know, I love that. I love that how they live a clean, pure lifestyle.
Yeah, man.
So, you know, and the ganja smoking, not every Rasta smokes weed.
Exactly.
Like, we don't smoke weed.
True.
So,
see, like,
yeah, it's not, yeah.
Everybody at my work, I cannot convince them that I don't smoke. Once they see my eye look a certain way, like it's red, them said, yeah, he's definitely took a puff before him come back to work or something.
That's the thing, like every time I say my husband's Jamaican to somebody, they say, oh, he must smoke hard ganja. And I'm like, no.
It's typical.
It's like, no, he doesn't do that at all. Anyways, but all in all, the movie was good.
Yeah, man.
If you haven't watched it, go and watch it. Apparently, it broke selling records.
Really?
On Valentine's Day.
Oh, well, I didn't doubt it after watching it, because based on what we seen, the cinemas were full. We hardly could get any space. That's why we had to drive all that way. So,
do you think Ziggy Marley's a sellout?
Well, I don't know what to say now, because I don't know what to say. But it's his life. It's their family come together and make the decision. So, yeah, I can't even call him a sellout. They made their own decision, you know.
I would have loved to. The ending was really not good.
Yeah,
I'm going to say that. The ending was just like, I got really emotional throughout the whole movie, because
it gets emotional.
It gets very emotional. There's parts where it's like, oh my God, like, you know, and, oh, you feel for Bob's life, you know, because like his father wasn't around and things like that, and didn't want nothing to do with him.
Yeah.
But like, yeah, there was bits of the story that didn't make sense, like towards the end with the horse and and
like,
it was supposed to be Haile Selassie, but I thought it was the father.
That's what I thought at first, like it was the father trying to catch him on the horse, and then it turns out to be like Selassie on the horse, you know. So yeah,
we don't want to kill it for you guys.
Yeah, we don't want to tell it everything, but
yeah, just watch it and then let us know in the comment section what you guys think about it. I honestly think that they did a great job. They could have added more detail to it though. The girl that played Rita was an amazing actress. She was good. She was very, very good. The guy that acted like Bob Marley,
him do good.
He did the best that he could.
Yeah, because obviously he's not Jamaican. He doesn't speak, you know, he's fully British. His accent is fully, you know, so
definitely
he did his thing.
And everybody else in the movie was pretty good too, like who played a role. Yeah. Like the actual Jamaicans that actually played a role in the movie, they were funny as.
Yeah, like it just, some part me just have the cool bump just run through my body when me hear them talk and when me hear the music come on. Me just like goosebump just full up my body, me I tell them, I just feel proud, like, you know, me there in the cinema, me just feel proud, you know.
I was singing and I was like belting out all the tunes. I don't care, people probably thinking, look, this mad woman. But I love Bob Marley. I love his music. The Wailers, like, they were just amazing, you know. And I just wish that the movie was longer. And I actually wish that they actually maybe showed, like, did a funeral for him, like showing his real sick stage. I think that would have been, like, probably put a lot of people's mind at ease. Like, especially like the fanatic fans. Like, the fans were like, oh my God, Bob Marley, we really want to know what happened to him. We know he died of cancer of the toe, and it's melanoma, and it, you know, went through his body. But, you know, a lot of people would probably feel at ease if they show that side of him, like, you know, the funeral and all that sort of stuff. And then
I think they really based it on Bob and Rita. I think that was the main role of just his life story they were playing out. They weren't trying to show the other side of him, and as I said before, Peter, Tosh and Cindy. I guess they just wanted to focus on Rita and Bob and, you know, a bit some pieces of his life.
Yeah.
Yeah, when he was younger and thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So in saying that, also like Damien Marley, he's a great he's a great actor. He's a great singer.
Yeah.
He's a great artist. He's probably got a lot more fame. Not digging on Ziggy and all the other Marleys, but he's probably one of the top worldwide known artists after his father Bob Marley.
Yeah, he put in the work.
Definitely.
He's what of all the sons definitely put in the work.
He's the one that really outshines all of the brothers, to be honest. You know, Ziggy's got good songs.
Yeah. But
Julian's got good songs too, but in reality, Damien Marley was top of tops with it all. And unfortunately, you know, Bob Marley passed away when he was only a baby, so...
Yeah, it's crazy, man.
And he sounds like his dad, and he looks like his dad, so... I
feel great for have a legend come from a small island like that, like, no matter 100%. Where you're going nowhere, as a Jamaican, like, that's one of the things that attached to me here, like, so once they know that I'm Jamaican, oh, Bob Marley, you know what I mean? So that definitely is a stamp.
Definitely.
You know, so
everybody knows Bob Marley,
great.
Jamaica.
Yeah, man.
Jamaica, Bob Marley.
Feels great.
And I'm happy. I'm happy that, you know, hubby comes from Jamaica.
Yeah. Even
I'm a proud mamacita.
Even at work, they be asking me, oh, you gonna watch a Bob Marley movie? I said, I already watch it, you know? So it's like, yeah, it's well promoted though, that's for sure. It's well promoted. Yeah. Everybody knows about it.
For sure.
Yeah, man.
Anyways, guys, with that note, we're gonna leave you to it. And
if you watch it already, let us know how much you rate it. And yeah, looking forward to see your comments.
Maybe my rating was a bit harsh.
Well, I don't even think so. You know, everybody have their own opinion. People might bash us for
let me give it one more rating. Let's give it one more rating. An 8. I'll give it an 8.
Yeah, 8 make it. 8. I'm never say H-A-T-E, okay? I say 8. The number 8.
Alright.
Alright, so
all the best.
Yes, man.
Thank you for watching The Island Family.
Please thumbs
Big up the thumb. Big up the thumbs. Big up the video.
Yeah,
like
man.
The video. Yeah.
Blessings to everyone. See? Yeah, man. It's crazy when they hear people try like so Jamaican when they make it or them think it should so like, what's going on, man? What you doing, man?
Yeah,
like that's how they talk to me at work.
Actually, talking about that guy did actually say that in the movie.
Yeah. When
he was meeting the guitarist.
Yeah.
Marvin Jr.
Yeah, yeah.
Is it Marvin Jr.? Junior Marvin?
Junior Marvin, I think.
Yeah. And he's like, how's it going?
Yeah.
And I'm like, you missed a line there. You should be like, wagwan. Like, you know?
Yeah.
Where's a patois, man?
Yeah. I guess they had to make it for English speakers to understand, but yeah, we get it.
We get it now. We get it. But good movie. We're gonna watch it again.
Yeah, man, definitely. We're gonna watch it at home. You know?
Yeah.
So, bless up everybody.
Big up everyone.
Give thanks for tuning in, isn't it?
Peace out.
Out. Man.